Hello everyone, my name is Julia and today me and my team members are going to present for you our managerial statistics assignment. Our group members are Yikahao, Faris, and Faiz. Please next slide. We are going to talk about cooperative analysis of monthly savings, a hypothesis testing approach between accounting students and finance students in terms of monthly savings. The objective of this survey is to test at a 5% significance level whether there are differences between the monthly savings of accounting and finance students in the Faculty of Management.
All right. So the next part is the timeline on distributing questionnaire and collecting response data. So in the first timeline, on the 13th of September, we prepared the questionnaire and before we distribute question to the other students, which accounts from accounting student and a finance student. And the second act is at the 14th of September, we received the question and collected response data from them. And the third act is on 26th of September. So at that time, we got the last respondent from a finance student. And for the method and how we collect the response data is we collect the data using the link and we share the QR code to them. So it will make easier for them to key in the data. And for the record, the data will be automatically keyed in the Excel sheet through the Microsoft form given.
Okay, how did our team approach the respondents randomly? The respondents were randomly selected by approaching accounting and finance students on campus, ensuring that each student had an equal opportunity to participate. No bias was introduced during the selection process.
Now, during this project, we had a few challenges in distributing the questionnaire and collecting response data. So the first problem that we encountered was identifying students majoring in account and finance. So we couldn't exactly tell who was accounting and finance, so we had to randomly just distribute to any students that we saw passing by. And the second challenge that we had was getting 60 respondents in this short span period of a few weeks only. Now, how we managed to overcome these challenges with these few solutions, we decided to distribute to the survey to an online group chat containing more than 50 students. So this consists of such as like clubs or orientation groups from the past, or even the MPU group that we had. And we also decided to use our connections, such as our friends and acquaintances, to more or less promote our survey to their friends if they knew anyone in accounting or finance.
Yeah. Okay, next we're talking about all the necessary steps to test our hypothesis. So in the Google form, in the Microsoft form that we collected the data, we can find out that the total monthly savings of finance students are 7,930. So when we divide the value by 30, we can get the mean is 264.3333, while the standard deviation is equal to 196.1998. Whereas for accounting student, the total monthly savings is 12,460. So when the value is divided by 30, the mean we will get 415.333, while the standard deviation is 397.3857. So for the first step in every hypothesis testing, we have to state out the hash null and hash one, which also means as hash alternative hypothesis. So for hash null, our hash null is mu1 is equals to mu2, and our hash 1 is mu1 is not equal to mu2. This is clearly defined as a two-tier test. So the critical value when we are using 5%, if we implement two-tailed test, that means the alpha value has to be divided by 2. So the t value will be 2.5% and then 58. So we will get plus minus 2.000. Next step, we have to find out SP square. We use the formula given to find the SP square, and then we can finally find out the SP square value is 98,204.8780. And then we can proceed with our statistic T, the test statistic. We also use the formula given and substitute all the value that we have. Then finally, we can get the T value is negative 1.8662. So since the T value is negative 1.8662, we do not reject hash naught because T does not fall in the rejection region, which plus minus 2.000. So there is insignificant evidence that there are differences between monthly savings of finance and accounting students in Faculty of Management. Next, I'll be discussing about the reasons of choosing the particular steps for hypothesis testing analysis. To test whether there are differences between finance student and accounting student in terms of money savings, since we are testing on the differences, so two-tailed test is implemented. Next, summing up all the data given and find the mean and standard deviation is for calculation purpose. Next, we also prepare a bell-shaped curve to help us to easily see the rejection region so that we can determine whether we should reject or should not reject the hash naught. Besides that, we should find out SP2 due to the sigma unknown. And we also use T statistic table due to sigma unknown. So as a conclusion, there's insignificant evidence to support that there are differences between the monthly savings of finance students and accounting students. The conclusion indicates that either finance or accounting students can save the same amount of money even though they are from different courses. The situation may be caused by the high similarity of the classes that students from both courses attended in the first year. That means for finance students and accounting students, they may attend the same classes, which is also taught by the same lecturer. So they have same mind, same knowledge on how to save the money wisely. So thank you for your time. This is our presentation.